Do you want to turn your photo into beautiful digital art, and have you tried using S Pen to restyle an image before? On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there is a powerful feature called Drawing Assist. You can restyle your photo with different art style, and today I will show you how to use the Art Nouveau effect. First, remove your S Pen to open up the recommend menu. Then tap Drawing Assist. Tap Restyle Image icon. Now select a photo from your gallery. After selecting the image, choose Art Nouveau as the effect. Then tap Generate. Wait a few seconds until the result is ready. Once it's done, you will see some icon at the top of the image. You can copy it, share it, download it, or even turn it into a sticker. To save it to your gallery, just tap the download icon. This feature is great for creating artistic images without using any extra apps. It's perfect for wallpapers, social media posts, or just having fun with your S Pen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.